Hello and welcome back to the course. Now after the introduction lecture, now we need to straight start working on this project. So first of all, you need to actually download the XAMPP software or Notepad++. If you want to use this Notepad++ as a text editor for writing code, then you can download this. Otherwise you can use Dreamweaver or any other text editor which you like. But the XAMPP is very necessary because without installing XAMPP on your computer you cannot run PHP scripts basically. So for downloading this, just go to Google and write XAMPP download, and you will find the link to ask apacheparents.org, and just click that the download link on the first page, and now you can download it for in 32-bit, or for this is for Windows here, and this is the latest version, the first one basically. Now if you want to download it for Linux, you can, or for any other operating system, and it supports all these applications. You can see, you can find all other information about XAMPP software here. After you downloaded this, you can simply install it very easily. There is no special requirements for this software. Just next, and it will be installed on your computer. After you install this, you will find this XAMPP control panel icon on your desktop, so you have to double click it to open it. And after opening this, you will see this Apache and MySQL. These two modules will be running here inside here, so you should not stop them, and this should be active in order to run PHP codes in your computer. So after you install this, then you can access this XAMPP by just writing localhost on your in your browser, localhost XAMPP. So you will see, actually I have zoomed my browser a little bit. You will see this kind of interface of XAMPP. These are our information about XAMPP software, where you actually can make some settings, security settings, or you can directly go to phpMyAdmin and you can use all other tools, and you can find these all applications inside the XAMPP software that you have installed, like WordPress, Joomla, Magento, Drupal, and these all CMS you can also use in this after installing this software. So the next thing is to just when you install this XAMPP software, then you go to your computer and then to local drive C. I'm using Windows, you might be using any other operating system, so I will go to C, and I have installed this software in the C drive. You may install it in D or B or any other hard drive in your computer, but I have simply installed it in C. So you can see here is the XAMPP folder and the C folder. So this XAMPP folder were basically created by when I installed the XAMPP software. So just I will click this, and you can see here, so the htdocs folder inside the XAMPP folder, because all other folders are default folders installed by default with the software, and this folder is also installed by default, which name is htdocs. So this is basically our root folder, the folder where we will save our files and folders, so we can then access using the localhost here. Just after writing localhost / and then you will write the name of our folder which we have created, or we have actually saved it here. So double click this htdocs folder, and there are many projects I'm working on here inside htdocs, but you guys may find this empty or with a few files or folders, but you can create any folder you like here, or you can also can create files without folders. You can directly access them, but if you are working on a big project, then you should create a folder. For example, here I have e-commerce folder. In this I have created an e-commerce project, so I can simply access this folder e-commerce by just going to write in my browser localhost and then e-commerce. So just I will enter, and this is my project in front of you. So this is inside basically inside the htdocs folder. I'm accessing from here using the local host, because in this e-commerce folder I have many PHP scripts through which I'm running this program or this software, this website. So you cannot actually save the PHP files on your desktop or anywhere, any other location on your computer, because you cannot directly double click that and access that, because you have to give the proper name, exact localhost, and after that backslash and the exact folder or file name to access that file. So after installing XAMPP software and you know what to do in this htdocs software, htdocs folder, so I have notepad++ ready here and I have opened it. So we will start writing codes inside it. I mean the structure of this whole project, social network in PHP, in the next video. So this is also ready, notepad++. So you guys should make sure that these two are ready with you as well. So in the next lecture we can start working on this project. See you in the next lecture.